Congratulations, Soludo. You have won Anambra gubernatorial election. So you are coasting to second term. Congratulations. Soludo, I hear say you win all the local governments, even the ones that didn't vote. Soludo, you won all the local government. Hey, my people of Anambra, when I don't hear the latest, Professor Charles Soludo don't do them again. Oh. Man no just win election, or him win everywhere. All 21 local governments, from Oka to Aguleri, from Nnewi to Ogbalu. Even mosquitoes for Idemili voted for Soludo. Everything. This kind of victory no be just win, oh. Na landslide way, a carry bulldozer. It no just win, oh. This one, everywhere you turn, Soludo. You see, the way Soludo even win all this local government, I even suspect, say, if I count votes from River Niger, it go still be Soludo 100%. Even for local governments where people no show up, results still show up. Wonders shall not end. I say election day peaceful. Of course, who won't fight person way don't already win before them vote? Who won't fight them? Incumbents, you won't fight them. That one a waste of tear gas now. Things went well.
I, Professor Edoba Bright Omorige, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Vice Chancellor, University of Benin, hereby that I am the returning officer for the 2025 Anambra State governorship election held on 8th day of November 2025. I also certify that the election was contested and that the winner emerged. The candidate with the highest number of votes cast and percentage have all been completed. I therefore declare that Soludo Charles Chukuma of the APGA, I will satisfy the requirement of the law and score the highest number of votes in this election. Is hereby declared the winner and returned elected.
Let's talk about the other candidates. According to what we hear, Soludo contest against Nicholas Ukachukwu from APC and George Mogalo from Labour Party. I hear say George Mogalo self no one accept the result. Oga, if for win, if say then do normal election. Be like say no be normal election, but if then do normal election for win. I beg, okay. We will look at how things take waka. Make we ask honest question now. Before this election, who remember those two names? Before the election happened, who remember those two names? Even when I see their posters, their posters tired. Their posters look tired. As Kachuku and Mogalo poster, their poster don't weak before the election. They don't tire. Okay, but can I just give them to Soludo? If you look well, for that Mogalo poster and that of Kachuku, for their poster, if you look down, you go see try again in 2099. I see them for that poster. They write and small, but they don't notice them. I don't know whether the person where they print them, where do their poster for them, tell them ideally, Oga, try in 2029. For now, Nemba, Anambra no day vacant. Now, what happen? But if you look at Soludo poster, it dey like say, the poster they say, I am still your landlord. Still on the election, you see, this election, they report low turnout. Low turnout wahala. INEC say now only 20% come out to vote. That is, if Anambra has 100 people, only 20 come. That means now only 1 out of 5 people leave their house to vote. But somehow, Soludo win everywhere. Now wait till we hear. How do you go? This one get as it be. It be like wedding where only 5 people attend, but 500 rice plates disappear. Yeah, so that's so it be now. They say 5 people attend this wedding, but the 500 plates where them cook for the wedding then disappear. Now so this election day, people no come, but result full everywhere. Even goes to vote. Now we they represent to now so it take be. I also hear about vote buying motivation. It remind me of those Obiano time. Man, these guys they usually use state money do their election. Then talk say vote buying happens small. Now small it happen. But you go remember saying in Nigeria we day where vote buying don't turn to buy one, get one free. Now so vote buying there for Nigeria. Buy one, get one free. It just dey like, madam, you get 5,000 naira. The madam go say, I no get. They say, okay, take 2,500, vote Soludo and collect pure water as bonus. Or they go, people know they go poly unit again for civic duty. Now for civic duty allowance, then they go. I watch one video. They just they pass one. Nenkegi, kelenkegi. Hey, the mandate of all mandates. Soludo no just get mandate. He get mandate and half. Winning all local government means say, even the spirit of our ancestors vote for her. And that's so it be. Even masquerades from Obunike Cave, then they shout, Abga till eternity. And you know Soludo himself, always speaking English like economic seminar. When they ask him how he feel, he go say, it's a macroeconomic equilibrium of democratic consolidation and subnational victory. But I see on the dance today, the translation of what I just said, in case you don't understand, is I don't win, I beg, him win. Now, message to the people. Maybe we message the people before we round up. Seriously, make we reason them. If only 20% vote and 1% carry all local government, what in this thing mean about democracy? What does it mean about democracy? What in this thing they talk about democracy? We they shout bad leaders, so. But we know they show up during election time. That's why this country will continue like this, like NEPA light, on today, off tomorrow. Can you imagine? Anyway, congratulations, congratulobia to Soludo. For now, Anambra don't talk. We know who we want, but come next election, make we all talk together and make it not be saying only 5% or be 20% come out. Not be only 20% get transport fee. Maybe we should say all of us get transport fee. And if you no vote next time, no shout, Nigeria will never change. Even though some people get reason onto why they say they no go vote. Because it be like say vote self no they count. But try vote. Because if you no vote, Nigeria they ask you, did you try? Now so it be na here I say make I leave them. I say make I just do pidgin English segment. The thing be say Soludo won the election and he won all the local governments in Anambra State. So he's not coasting to victory. He has already won. And I think INEC has given their official announcement at the beginning of second term with the talk now. Now here I say make I leave Azuka Oje, IGBO AREA TV.